In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an appointment on Calendly. Whether it's due to a scheduling conflict or any other reason, sometimes you need to make changes to your calendar, and knowing how to manage your appointments efficiently is key. Let's walk through the steps to cancel an appointment using Calendly. First, you'll want to head over to the Calendly website. Open your web browser and type in Calendly's URL. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll see the Login button. Click there and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. For a quicker login, you can also choose the Continue with Google option, which allows you to sign in using your Google account credentials. Select this, pick the appropriate Google account, and you'll be logged in seamlessly. Now that you're in Calendly, look to the left side of your screen. You'll find a panel with several options. Click on Meetings. This is where you'll manage all your scheduled events and appointments. Upon clicking Meetings, you will be taken to a new page. At the top of this page, there are multiple tabs. We're interested in the Upcoming tab, so go ahead and click on that. This tab will list all your future appointments that have been scheduled. Scroll through the list of upcoming meetings to locate the specific meeting you want to cancel. Once you've found it, select the meeting to bring up its details. Here, you'll see various options, but our focus will be on the Cancel button. Click on it. After clicking Cancel, you will be prompted to provide a reason for the cancellation. This is an important step because it communicates to your attendees why the meeting cannot proceed as planned. It's always a good idea to be considerate and transparent, so type a brief and polite message explaining your reason for canceling. This small gesture can help maintain good relationships with your attendees. Once you've entered your message, there's one final step to confirm your action. You'll see a button that says, Yes, Cancel. Click on this to finalize the cancellation of your meeting. And there you have it. Your meeting is now canceled. Remember, effective communication during cancellations helps maintain professionalism and ensures that all parties involved have clarity on the changes. With these easy steps, you now have the knowledge to manage your Calendly appointments with ease. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.